Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm excited to share a unique knitting pattern that produces a canvas featuring excellent elasticity, a distinctive texture, and a solid structure. This pattern is built on a rib stitch consisting of 3 knit stitches followed by 2 purl stitches. We'll form the knit column by intertwining the knit stitches in a novel way on the wrong side, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. The pattern comprises 5 stitches and only 2 rows. To get started, cast on a number that is a multiple of 5, plus 2 for symmetry and 2 for edge stitches. Row 1 right side. Purl 2. Knit 3. Purl 2. Knit 3. To conclude row purl 2. In the second row we will make an interlacing of the 3 loops in the knit column. Row 2 wrong side. Start with knitting 2. Next, work 3 purl stitches. Purl the second, followed by the first. With the yarn in front, return the last stitch to the left needle. Again, purl the second, then the first. Continue to the end of the row, knit 2, purl the second, purl the first, return the last stitch to the left needle, and once more, purl the second, and then the first. Finish the row with knit 2. I've presented this original elastic knit suitable for both clothing and accessories. I'd be delighted if you incorporate it into your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss out on a video. Click on my Knit Knots Space Shop icon to explore my knitted creations. Whether you're searching for something special for yourself or a perfect gift for someone else, I have a variety of items you're sure to love. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel's audience. I sincerely appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you again soon.